Seems like a blur, but tomorrow marks 2 years since Colorado reported its first cases of the coronavirus. You might remember everything unfolded very quickly. The week before the first case here, Denver Public Schools had sent a letter to parents saying, right now, this virus is not spreading in the United States. Colorado has no cases of the disease, and the vast majority of Americans have a low risk of exposure. The Northeast Colorado Health Department sent out an email saying the risk to the general public is low. It was just 2 days later, the CDC said COVID-19 is a serious public health threat. 5 days after that, we had our first cases in Colorado, and over the next 3 weeks, things shut down in a domino-like effect. On March 14th, that was a big day. The governor closed Colorado ski resorts right during spring break. On March 17th, the governor closed theaters, casinos, and gyms statewide. Dining rooms for restaurants and bars were then closed. The governor ordered schools to close March 23rd, and then the governor announced a statewide stay-at-home order that started March 26th.
Wow, it's crazy to look back at how fast things changed. And now it's only been a year since we started vaccinating the general public in Colorado. But since then, nearly 4 million Coloradans have been fully vaccinated. That's about 73% of the eligible population. In communities of color, the vaccination rate is still lower, and the state is trying to change that.
A lot of that is systemic. It's been built up over years. And it's going to take time to build that trust. And so we continue to show up. We continue to be in communities where we know we still are looking for people to be vaccinated every single weekend.
In the last week, nearly 8,000 people in Colorado got vaccinated. There are clinics this weekend at Waterworld, Dick's Sporting Goods Park, also churches, shopping malls, rec centers, and other locations. You can get the locations and times on the state's COVID website. Even as mask mandates are being lifted and people going on with their lives, we are still feeling the impact of the last 2 years.
Significant increase in anxiety, uncertainty. Many people were financially impacted by what's taken place in the last 2 years, and I think many people experienced a significant increase in isolation and loneliness.
How do you know when it's time to reach out for help? Well, experts say if you are withdrawing from people or feel a lack of enjoyment or interest in what used to be your favorite things, it's a good time to seek some support.